Hey there, fellow seekers of wisdom. Today, we're diving into the world of Stoicism and how it can transform your mornings and your life. Let's explore 10 powerful habits that the ancient Stoics would approve of, guaranteed to set you up for a day of strength, purpose, and tranquility. 1. Rise with the sun. Picture this. You're up as the first rays of light kiss the horizon. The Stoics believed in aligning with nature's rhythms. By rising early, you're not just gaining extra hours, you're embracing the natural order of things. 2. Practice gratitude. Before your feet touch the floor, take a moment to appreciate 3 things in your life. Maybe it's your health, a loved one, or simply the chance at a new day. Stoics like Marcus Aurelius started their days with gratitude, recognizing that each moment is a gift. 3. Visualize challenges. Sounds counterintuitive, right? But here's the Stoic twist. Imagine potential obstacles you might face today. This negative visualization actually prepares you mentally, making you more resilient when real challenges arise. 4. Cold shower therapy. Brace yourself. A quick cold shower isn't just invigorating. It's an exercise in voluntary discomfort. Stoics believed in regularly facing discomfort to build mental toughness. Plus, it's great for your circulation. 5. Meditate on your values. Take 5 minutes to reflect on your core principles. What matters most to you? Integrity, courage, wisdom. Let these guide your actions for the day ahead. 6. Read or listen to something inspiring. Feed your mind with wisdom. Whether it's a passage from Seneca or a modern interpretation of Stoic philosophy, start your day by filling your mental cup with valuable insights. 7. Set intentions, not just goals. Instead of a to-do list, create a to-be list. How do you want to show up today? Patient, kind, focused. Stoicism is about character development, not just task completion. 8. Practice mindful movement. Whether it's yoga, a brisk walk, or simple stretches, move your body with full awareness. The Stoics believed in the mind-body connection. Caring for your physical self is caring for your whole self. 9. Embrace the concept of aim or fate. This means love of fate, or love of one's fate. As you prepare for your day, adopt the mindset that whatever comes, you'll not just accept it, but embrace it as if you had chosen it. 10. Remind yourself of your mortality. Sounds heavy for the morning, doesn't it? But the Stoics use this practice, called memento mori, to prioritize what truly matters. It's not morbid. It's motivating. Live each day as if it's your last, because one day you'll be right. There you have it. 10 Stoic morning habits that can revolutionize your days and ultimately your life. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Start with 1 or 2 that resonate with you and build from there. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use a dose of morning wisdom. Don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing content and let me know in the comments. Which Stoic habit are you excited to try? Until next time, stay strong, stay wise, and keep embracing that Stoic mindset.